So let's discuss factoring by grouping. So example, we have x cubed plus 3x squared plus 4x plus 12. So now you group this one, this 2, you group this 2. So the solution will be, now you get the greatest common factor is x squared. So x cubed divided by x squared, that will become x. 3x squared divided by x squared, that is 3. Okay. And again here you get the common factor, that will become 4. So 4x divided by 4 is equal to x. Then 12 divided by 4 is 3. And now these two combine, so that will become x plus 3. And this one combine, x squared plus 4. So this is the answer. Okay. So here's another method of factoring. Let's say you have here example x squared minus 6/8 plus 8. Okay. So now you find the product of this, the factor of the product of this that will result into a negative 6. So let's say 8. 8, we try 4 times 2. Okay. So the result is 8. Okay. Now, we find if you add this one, this 2, that will become negative 6. So the result will be negative 4 and negative 2. Okay. So that's why factored will be x minus 4 times x minus 2. Okay. So where did I get this? This one first, you find the factor for this, that when you multiply it will come to 8. And then here, negative 6, you find also numbers that when you add them, that will become negative. So negative 4 minus negative 2 is equal to negative 6. So therefore, from here, that will become x minus 4 and x minus 2. So let's check. So x minus 4 times x equal x squared. How to check? X squared, x times negative 2 minus 2x, negative 4 times x minus 4x, negative 4 times negative 2, that will become positive 8. So x squared minus 2x minus 4x equal to minus 6x plus 8. So therefore, your answer is correct. So again, example, you factor 10x squared plus 11x minus 6. So the first step is multiply this coefficient 10 by negative 6. So that will become negative 60. Okay. And now find a factor also that when you add, factor of 60, that when you add will result to 11. So let's say 15 minus 4. So it means that is 11. Okay. So 15 minus 4 is 11. So where did I get this 60? So we first multiply this coefficient of x squared, so 10 times 6. So that times negative 6, I mean, that's negative 6, that is negative 60. Okay. So the result will be 10x squared, this one, plus 15x minus 4x minus 6. Okay. So again, by grouping, so you find a group that will simplify. So let's try this. Let's try this too. Okay. So the common here is x. So that will become 10x plus 15. And here the common here is 2. So minus 2. So 2x plus 3. So that's not a proper grouping. So let's try you interchange this. So let's say 10x squared minus 4x plus 15x minus 6. Okay, so the common factor is 2x, so that will become 5x minus 2. And again here the common is 3, so that will become 5x minus 2. Okay, combine these two, okay, so that will become 2x plus 3 times 5x minus 2. So this is the answer. Difference of squares. So a squared minus b squared expanded to a plus b times a minus b. Okay. So for example here we have x squared minus 16, so that will be expanded as x plus 4 times x minus 4. So another example is 9a squared minus 1, so that will become 3a plus 1 times 3a minus 1. Okay. So we have the difference of cubes. A cube minus b cube, so that will be expanded as a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared, and then a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. Okay. So let's discuss about rational expressions. So you number one, you simplify three y plus 6 over y square plus 4y plus 4. So first, we factor out this one. Common factor is 3. Y plus 2. And this one, based on what we discussed a while ago, this will become y plus 2 times y plus 2. So where did I get this? So here, when you multiply this 2 times 2, that will become 4. And you add this 2 also, 2 plus 2 equals 4. That's why it's y plus 2 squared. So cancel out. So the result will be 3 over y plus 2. So number 2. Multiplying and dividing. So example, y squared plus y over y plus 4 divided by y plus 1 over y minus 16. So the solution will be y squared plus y over y plus 4 times y minus 16. So this will become the numerator over y plus 1. Okay. Now we expand. So y times y plus 1. So the common factor is y. So that's why y plus 1. And this one, again, from the theory we had, this will become y plus 4 and y minus 4. Okay. So divided by y plus 4 and y plus 1. Okay, so this one will cancel out. Check, 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 check. So the final answer is y times y minus 4. So this is the final answer. Adding and subtracting. So example 3 over 2y plus 2 plus 5y squared minus 1. So first, we factor out this one. So common is 2. So y plus 1 plus 5. So based again on the theory. So y squared minus 1 is equal to y plus 1 over y minus 1. Okay. So here, this is my way of computing this. So you get all the representative of the denominator. So 2 times y plus 1 and then y minus 1. Okay. So these are the denominators here. So 2 times y plus 1 plus y divided by 2y plus 1, that will become y minus 1 times 3. So that the result will be 3 times 1 minus 1. And again here, 2y plus 1, y minus 1 divided by y plus 1 times y minus 1 would become 2 times 5, that will become 10. Okay. So the result will be 3y minus 3 plus 10 over 2y plus 1 y minus 1. Okay. So that will become 3y plus 7 over 2y plus 1 y minus 1. Okay. So that's the answer. So now quadratic equation. So this is a very important theory you have to know, because you can apply it mostly in all kinds of mathematics fields. So till you graduate in college, you will apply quadratic equation. So here's the equation goes. So a x squared plus bx plus c. So a, b, and c are real numbers. And a is not equal to 0. Okay, so example, we have y squared plus 7y minus 18 is equal to 0. Okay. So first, the value is the value of a is the coefficient of y. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7, and c is equal to negative 18. So always include the sign, well, if it's negative or positive. Okay. So the formula for the quadratic equation. So I forgot to put it here, so let's put the formula here. So x is equal to plus and minus b. Okay, so no, minus b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, so you memorize this one, a very important formula. It will save your life memorizing this. Okay, x is equal to minus b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, so now going back to the equation, so x is equal to minus b is what? So 7, so minus 7 plus and minus square root of 7 again, so square root of b squared, so 7 times 7 is 49 minus 4 times 1 times negative 18 all over 2a, so 2 times 1. So the result will be minus 7 plus and minus square root of 49 negative 4 times negative 18, so that will become positive 72 all over 2. So the result will be minus 7 plus and minus square root of addition of this, so 9 raised to 1, so 7 raised to 11 carry 1, so 1 to 1 divided by 2 minus 7 plus and minus square root of 1 to 1 is 11, right? So get your calculator to verify, so divided by 2. Okay, so therefore x sub 1 is equal to negative 7 plus 11 divided by 2, and x sub 2 is equal to negative 7 minus 11 over 2. So here the result will be 4 over 2, so is equals to 2. And here negative 18 over 2, so the result is 9. So you can factor this as, oh, I'm sorry, I put the wrong, no, so this should be y, because the equation is y, right? So y, so therefore y sub 1, y sub 2. So factors 2 and 9. So the result is y plus 2 and y plus 9. So this is how it's factored. Oh no, negative 9, I mean y, because this one is negative, right? So y minus 9 here, sorry. So y plus 2y. So you can check, you multiply these two and then you get this one.